saying things people already know out loud is tight.
Avada Kedavra.
You park in front of your house, I park in front of my house.
This is
Hey, if you don't stop, I will contact the usher.
What's up, everyone? It's Adam from FWCI. Okay, these videos, Les Zap de Cocaine, apparently this one's called. I've been watching these videos for years. They used to be called Les Zap de Spion. I don't know what changed or whatever, but these are like these amazing compilations of wins and fails. So they're not like Fail Army, they're a little bit more interesting, and I love watching these videos, so I thought let's check one out for the channel because these are a hell of a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy them. Hit the like button as well. Tell everybody to check this one out because if this does good views, then I'll do the Zap de Cocaine. I don't know, what is that, we just call it Le Zap de Cocaine? Is that what I'm supposed to say? Maybe I'll do these every month. I think they come out. So subscribe if you're new to the channel as well. If this is your first time, hello, what up, enjoy. I don't actually go for the Celtics, I go for the Orlando Magic, and it's the great tanking year for Victor Wembanyama, so let's go Celtics 2022. But let's check out Les Zap de Cocaine 228.
What happened?
How the hell did that even happen? Le Gang? They always write it in, what the hell? They always write something in, like, French down the bottom. And I have to try and translate it. I think that one speaks for itself. The face on that pig I'm after. Is that donkey laughing at that dog?
Oh, let's see.
Who looked the most hungover right now? Whoa, what was going on with that chick? I'm guessing it's her because she's passing out.
They have entered the store.
Lured the courses?
We're losing our minds here.
Hello, duckies, geese, whatever you
Our
are.
geese are in our store, you guys. Oh
Is it hot outside or something? Le découvert de Cisle. French people, let me know what I'm saying wrong about this.
This is the English grass whistle.
I've actually never done that before. That's it. It almost sounds like
Fucking dickheads. What the hell is this? Are you a printer?
JB, I don't think that's chalk.
nah, bro. This is organic stuff.
You
Is
sure?
that asbestos?
Natural.
Oh shit. These videos cut out too early. I get it's for like comedic effect, I guess, but I want to see the full like crash and burn, man. Like that little guy. God damn you, dog. Why am I not anywhere near as cool as you are? Loin tre tre loin. Whoa. Wow, she is. What is she on? She just drunk as fuck. She has a cheeseburger and oh, she looks like she's on some shit. You right there, love? I lost my eye to cancer, so I made this and turned it into a flashlight. Dude, you can't be doing that shit. You scare the shit out of people. Look like Kano. What the fuck uses a flashlight? Really fucking well? Does it light up the inside of your head?
Dove, say hi to my mom.
Hi, Mom.
Yeah. Hey, Mom, he is fucking single, and he's your age, and he's hot. Say hi. He's shy. But this is Dove's horse.
This chick is having a great fucking night. Good on her. That's funny, man. Whoa! Moose! Oh, shit, he's getting quicker, man. Pedal. Don't be filming. Pedal. What? Oh, they're filming a movie, I'm guessing? See what I mean? Like, these aren't all fails, but some of them are really, really fucking interesting. I couldn't read that one. Let escalate or something or other. Escalated to nowhere? Is that what it's supposed to say? Holy shit. Get the dog away from it, man. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh my God.
Leroy de la Baguette. Alright. Damn, man.
You hungry? Where are you going? That is my face. No sir. Thank you. Back on the hair. Mochi.
See, is that a baby owl or something?
Oh!
They have the dog. I got him. They have a dog.
Oh, I heard about this doggo. He's the ball boy, ball dog.
He dropped it.
What happened, lady? Okay, that was a pretty weak ass fall. Is he making the noise or is he just hanging for a cup of tea? It's like behind the scenes of like a rock concert or something? Olympics maybe? Maybe just like a low-level NBA basketball game? Bear down. Where's that? Bears? Is that NFL? I can't believe this is still going. Oh, man. Ugh. Ugh. What was she eating in the first place? I think the seagull did you a favor. On the rayon des soleil. I'm gonna speak French fluently by the end of this video. That's a nice little visual. C'est moins lourd. Oh, cement spill. How's your day going, buddy? You got this?
Yeah!
Pour la planète.
Pick it up!
Pick it up. Oh, okay.
Watch, what do I do with you?
What? No. That's freaky, man.
Escape mode. Bradley, what are you doing?
Look at him! He's stuck! I want to pull him out.
What have you got in there, man? Sneezes. You were doing alright up until you hit the pole. You actually hit that kickflip quite good. Yeah, I know kickflips. No, ollies, kickflips. About it. Heel flip. That's another one. Coup de queue. Coup de coup? Q? Oh. Alez?
No, no, no,
Oh, Alez! Nope. Alez is like, eat a dick, bitch. I'm not doing this shit. When the farts. Oh, okay. Too quick. Too quick. Hey, mate.
Oh my god.
He's looking wrong.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't be complaining when you have to clean up that shit, though.
He holds on to him.
Alright. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. I got you. Don't let me go. Don't you let me go.
I can't hold on.
Don't you let me go.
Tommy! No!
Assholes.
Go, 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 boy, go, go.
Oh! Okay.
Hey, man. You gonna stop? Now he's just like, I gotta get to class. Alright, wild horses, it looks like. Dude, they are so fucking drunk. Don't. Suck shit.
Okay.
Simple. What the f- dude? That's not how it
I
works.
tried to buy ones out of Fort. Pull me downstairs.
Yeah, that dog's got a bit too much energy, I think. Hello? So what are these dolphins doing? Just hanging? I don't know if you should be underneath the jet ski, man. Isn't there like a thing under there? Oh! He was doing like a God thing, like, oh, bless you, my child. And the little kid's like, what up? Man, has that kid seen the movie Flying High? Is that where that came from? Because, oh, one of my favorite scenes from that movie.
At first, they didn't know what to think of us, but soon we gained their trust.
What is happening? What was that?
I gotta get down from here.
Is he doing that on purpose, or is he trying to be like a car with hydraulics?
Oh my god, no, Mom, you're done! Mom, you're done!
Man, if one of my grandparents did that, it would be my favorite thing that they've ever done. What was that, man?
Oh god, no.
That's not good, guys. You should not be driving this. Adopt? Oh, you coming with me, Mr. Skunk? What is he, a skunk? A badger? Honey badger? No, regular badger.
Oh my goodness.
I want to know what happened after that. Why is there a bike in the tree? Oh, they've had some fucking rain, man. I've seen that before.
Hey, he hit this window right here.
birdie just hanging there on you by your window. Oh! And look at that other one. He's angry as shit.
That's a big boy.
Dude, you set your nest there. We were already here.
That's what I'm talking about. You're a chubby guy and you can't bend over.
Ooh. How's the back of your skull there, lady? Why are you...
Yep.
And what's with those shorts, man?
Oh!
Suck shit, motherfucker. Paw plus Todd, alright. Oh. They're not friends, they're different... Are they different species? Or is that baby one? She's hiding behind him. Yeah, so that is Les Zap de Cocaine. Again, no idea what the hell the deal with the name is. If you do know, let me know in the comments so I can be more educated on the next video. That was a hell of a lot of fun. There was way too much stuff in there to even try and like recap or try and remember what the hell just happened, but you saw the reactions. You know what ones made me laugh. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Leave a little timestamp down there if you want, and you can leave a super thanks in the comments as well if you want to support the channel a bit more. And as always, everyone, be well, stay safe, look after your friends. See you in the next video. Peace.